Hey everyone, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up Smarters Pro safely on your Firestick, Android TV, or any device step by step. I also have a screenshot guide on how to install and set up Smarters Pro on my website, capnaman.com, with even more details that I won't be sharing here today. The link to that will be in the description. And for those using a Fire Stick, I've also linked my full installation video in the description box. It walks you through exactly how to get the Smarters Pro app installed. Before following this setup tutorial, first open Smarters Pro on your device. The app may ask you to accept the terms and permissions. Go ahead and agree if you're happy with them. That just lets the app run and install any required components. When you land on the main screen, you'll usually get two options. Use a playlist, M3U, or use provider credentials, Xtream codes. Think of the playlist like a direct map to your channels, and the credentials method as a secure login that gives you access to your provider's entire catalog. Both are commonly used. Choose whichever your IPTV provider supplies. If you already have an account with a legitimate IPTV provider, choose the Xtream codes option. You'll be prompted for three basic pieces of information: the server URL, username, and password, sometimes called API login details. Enter those exactly as your provider gave them, then tap Add or Log In. The app will connect, pull in your channel list and EPG, and populate the interface. If your provider gave you an M3U playlist instead, pick the playlist option, paste the M3U URL into the box, and add it. Playlist will load the channels and groups associated with that link. Again, only use playlists given directly by a legal provider that you've paid or signed up with. A couple of important safety notes. Don't share your username and password publicly. They're tied to your subscription. Avoid unknown sellers offering super cheap subscriptions or random codes. Many of those services are illegal and can expose you to security risks. If you're unsure whether a provider is legitimate, check my video on how to spot legal IPTV services. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Back in Smarters Pro, you can customize how things look, adjust the channel order, enable the EPG guide, and tweak the player settings for better buffering or audio performance. Take a minute to explore the settings and match the experience to your internet connection. If the app asks for permission to install unknown apps, only accept it if you downloaded the Smarters Pro APK from a trustworthy source. If you installed it through the official app store available on your device, you should be fine. Finally, if anything goes wrong, log out and re-enter your provider details or contact your IPTV provider's support team. Most quality providers include troubleshooting assistance and can confirm the correct server details to use. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future IPTV guides.